Let's take a look at independent contractors. Distinguishing between independent contractors and employees is the central and most continuous issue surrounding employee status. Because both employees and independent contractors perform work in exchange for pay, other factors must be considered to distinguish between them. The economic realities test is one approach used by courts to distinguish between employees and independent contractors, particularly in Fair Labor Standards Act wage and hour cases. The focus on economic realities test is on whether the person doing work is in business for herself and not dependent on a particular employer to engage in this line of work. A worker would be considered an independent contractor based on the following factors. They control how, when, and where the work is done. They provide the tools, materials, and supplies, and are paid on a specific sum and can profit by managing the work efficiently. They are engaged for short periods of time, have distinct marketable skills, perform work that's not needed on a regular basis, and provide services to different hiring parties. More often than not, some facts point to independent contractor status and others to employee status. Courts then have to look at the totality of the evidence to determine the worker's status. It is the hiring party who bears the burden of proving that a person performing work is an independent contractor and not an employee. Another widely used method for determining employee status is the common law test. It considers the following factors: the hiring party's right to control the manner and means by which the work is done, the level of skill required, the source of necessary tools and materials, the location of work, the duration of work, the right to assign additional projects, the discretion over when and how long to work, the method of payment, and the role in hiring and pay and assistance. In addition, the work needs to be part of the regular business of the hiring party, whether the hiring party is in business in general, whether benefits are provided to the hired party, and the tax treatment of the hired party as well. There are considerable overlap between the two tests, but the common law test emphasizes right of control, whereas the economic realities test focus more on the market for contractor services. When the right of control factor is considered, the most relevant issue is whether the hiring party has the authority to control where, when, and how the work gets done.